Did it just cut in like that?
Yeah.
Thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Coldstream, moving east at 25 miles.
I wonder what they're
per
doing
hour.
at Walgreens.
Expected hazards include tornado.
Looking outside.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Anchorage, Worthington Hills, Coldstream, Crestwood, Orchard Grass Hills, Pewee Valley, Centerfield, Floresburg, Park Lake, and Todd's Point. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.